Wow, look at this. I asked Chat GPT to generate Facebook target audience for a digital marketing course, and look at what happened. It generated it. Look at this. Look at this. So I don't even have to be typing them one by one. I just need to copy everything like this. Copy, come here, paste, and press enter. If it doesn't go, press enter twice. It generated everything. Look at for Nigeria. Look at look at this. Incredible. Incredible. Let's try something else. For a, let's say, real estate company. Enter. Let's see how it does. Okay. Nice. Wow. Wow. So that's pretty much it. And me seeing the audience, you know that it actually makes a lot of sense. Like,